We made it to the airport. Now we're in the pre-check line, security. My phone about to die, so I'll talk to y'all later. We made it to our gate. Talking to the mic. We're just sitting here waiting to board. Let's see if I can show y'all home. Just see that. But yeah, I'm excited to be on your first flight.
Very nervous.
Just nervous.
Yeah. Excited to see Houston. Ready to see what that airport is like.
Speaking of Houston, let's talk itinerary. So our first stop, we're gonna spend 24 hours in Houston with my cousin because we don't leave on the boat until the 13th. So we're gonna spend the whole day in Houston, see what that's like, and if I like it, I might come back. Yeah, and then we're getting on the boat. Then we have a whole day at sea, and then I think we're going to Cozumel first, and then Honduras second, and then Costa Maya, if I'm not mistaken, if that's not the same place. This is day one. Houston, ready? Alright, as you can see, we are back off the plane because we got delayed. Houston fog too thick or whatever that means. So they delayed it for an hour. So now we're just about to get something to eat. They a little mad. I already told you they dropped me out the sky for a cloud. You think they could drive and fall? Hell no. That's not how that works. Chick-fil-A. And delayed the flight until like 9:15, 9:14. Or I'm sorry, 7 something to fly out from here. And then we're gonna land in Houston around like 9:15. So right now we're just sitting at this table eating Chick-fil-A, waiting it out until they call us to get back on the plane. So here we are about to eat. Huh?
Doing all that damn stalling.
He wasn't stalling, nigga. He was trying to get right.
Yeah. That's all I realized. Just because somebody looks rich, don't mean they gonna be in first class.
Yeah, that is a universal assumption. I got chicken minis. I see that. They look so good. Hash browns, and orange juice. What you get?
Chickens, biscuit with cheese.
So yeah, we're gonna eat. Let's do a little mukbang action. Hold on real quick. A little mukbang action. Let's chew on this real fast. Why are you being a hater? Yes, they do. Alright, they're finally letting us board the plane again. Hopefully now I could take a nap, goddamn. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time. Alright, y'all, we made it to Houston. We're walking out of the airplane down to the terminal. We'll pee and then we're gonna go and get our bags. It's my first time being in Houston, so why it look like a jail in here? All right, we finally made it to Houston. Woo! Woo! We made it to Houston, and now we're just waiting on my cousin out at the pickup spots outside to come and get us, and then we'll see what we're gonna get into for the rest of the day. But it's a lot warmer here than I thought it was gonna be. It's hot. It's hot. I got on Uggs and shit. Like, I should have worn some booty shorts outside up here. It's hot. But yeah, hopefully She'll get here soon, and we can get into some stuff today before we go on the boat tomorrow. I want to eat good. I do know that. I want to explore Houston, see what they got. Apparently, they got good food and whatnot and what have you. So we'll see what they talking about, and I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, this is my cousin Makaya.
Hey, girl.
The way you looked at the mic.
I was like, what is that?
It's a mic. I got a mic. I'm bougie.
Do you like vlog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Vlogging? Yeah, I'm gonna try. What she said. It's gonna be lit. Right now, we're about to go get something to eat. Some tacos. I haven't had some real good tacos in a long time. Good Lord. I'll drive like crazy. That's what we're at right now. And I'll be back now. We are in a hair store with my cousin. She back there. But me and Bear gonna go look at some hats, see what they got in here. Nothing. That's cute. Yeah. It's not looking like they got too many hats in here, babe. Yeah, scratchy socks. This is cute. I wouldn't wear it, but it's cute. Ooh, they got bags. Totes. Oh, that's a badass wig. Hey. Ooh, she's soft. Is this Sherman? Is this Sherman? Yeah, that's human. That's why I feel like that. Ooh, those are cute. So my cousin brought us to her favorite taco spot. So we're about to order some food. I think I'm gonna get some elote. Hi, how are you? Can I get those? The beef, the steak, yeah. Yes.
On the elote, mayo, butter, and sauce, spicy sauce, is okay?
That's fine, yes.
Anything else?
So yeah, today is the 13th of December, and it's 9:28, and we're about to head to my uncle's house. We're gonna get on or figure out who's driving where, going where, doing what, riding with who, and then we gonna get on the boat. And
Day one on the boat.
yes, it's time to turn up.
Make sure you show me these crazy lines as we're boarding, because that'd be stupid.
But yeah, we're gonna get in line to get on the boat, and I will probably see y'all then because I'm gonna be too mixed up. I'm also surprised that my brothers, they don't know that I'm coming on the cruise, so hopefully, yeah, this will be a good surprise for them. So I'll catch y'all later. I think my mom and them already here. Oh yeah. I guess everybody already here, so let me go ahead and surprise them. How you doing? I'm good. Oh wait, hold on. No, wait. What's up, fathead? Sorry. Toot! Oh, Toot! Come here! Tootie! So big. Oh my God. Y'all gonna come give me a hug or what? Hi. So y'all not gonna come hug me?
Yeah, you don't look like my dad.
Well, guess what? It's me! How you doing? I missed you. I miss you too.
You're coming on the cruise with us, right?
Yes,
Why?
because I'm vlogging.
No, you're not.
How you doing?
I'm good.
I'm good.
How you doing?
What's up?
It's been so long.
I don't think I've seen you since.
I ain't seen you since before you had your baby. How you doing?
Hi, I'm Chloe.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, little man? My uncle's office is so cool. I'm gonna show y'all all the details, but too hard. Love my family real bad because they always need to do some arts and crafts and stuff now. But yeah, this is the second one I got like this.
We got all the bags off, most of the people off first. And then everybody's got to go to the right there where the guys are, march, walk that. Everybody goes down.
Alright, we finally made it to the port, and now we're just waiting in line. This line about the longest. We're gonna be here all day, and they're doing late boarding, so I'm pretty sure the people still standing in line up at the front waiting their turn. But I'm just ready to get on the boat. All right, made it through security. Now we're walking up the ramp to get on the boat. Everybody made it through security, so just trying to get up here quickly as possible. It's past 1:30, so our stateroom should be done. Oh, I'm excited. Hopefully get something to damn eat because I'm hungry. This is the biggest boat, one of the biggest boats that Carnival has. So hopefully we can find a lot of stuff to do while we're on the boat today. We are officially on board. All right, this is the Jubilee, y'all. It's real nice up in here. Real nice.
Where's D7? That floor.
Now we're going to our muster stations to learn about nautical safety. Oh, look at this chair. Grand Central. One floor up. Where?
D7. We need to get to D7.
Right. But where? It's a nice boat. It's nicer than the last boat I was on. But the casino is smaller. But I'm not really a gambler, so that don't really matter to me. But this is nice. I'm excited to be here. Everything smells clean. It smells like a pool, actually. I told you. Like I said, we're just walking to find our muster station now. So. We made it to our muster station.
Okay, in case of emergency, you have to proceed in here. This is your master station.
Okay.
There's too many people. Let's go. Cause Uncle Jordan. Uncle Jordan. Baby Jordan. And he's right, Mama Jordan.
Yeah, we gotta go. We're on deck 12, and we have to go to our room, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know where all the numbers are over there. Even numbers over here. Because it's all here. This yours. It's mine. At first we couldn't figure out how to do the lights. I didn't know lighting. So we had to go in and then figure out how to do the lights, and then we came back out.
I got my key, so let's do a little room tour. It's cute or whatever, little quaint little bed. Quaint. I got a big mirror right here, the TV, the bed is king. I think this is the bathroom. Peek the bathroom. Let me get in there. This is a decent shower. That's how I fit in the bathroom. Okay.
We didn't get all our bags yet, but we are in the room. And I'm about to set up a little bit because I want to. I mean, we're going to be here for like a week, so I'm going to put everything up. We already got stuff in the closet. Shoes and clothes, but we're still waiting on our bags so I can put everything else up. But right now, we're going in that bathroom and we're going to set up the bathroom. All right, we're going to the Lido deck.
Out of channel?
Yes.
What's your experience content or a bunch of stuff?
Oh no, I'm a makeup artist and I do travel vlogs as well. So that's part of that. Looks like Cooks.
Looks like
Cooks.
Okay, I'll look it up.
Thank you. This don't look too different from the last one. Dumplings, and they got chili cheese. What they got? Kebabs, bacon. Kebab. They like kebab. I think we're about to take off. It's about time. Alright, they got some Mediterranean food. I don't know what that is, but it's got a lot of cinnamon in it. It's good though. Little pita pizzas and some, I think that's couscous. Is that couscous? And now I'm in line for these dumplings. It's called Steam Dream Char Siu Pork Dumplings. So that's what I'm waiting on. Hopefully they'll come back because I want this. I think they're waiting on them to steam. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. It's so loud up here, but we leaving. We out of here. I love dumplings. Drink my lemonade.
But these bitches in my business coming out to choosing